What's up, y'all? My name's Chaz Smith, and in this episode of Life Skills, I'm gonna teach you about money. If you're not sure how to earn some right now, a good place to start is by thinking about what people need. I'll give some examples. People need to eat. Get a parent or guardian to help you sell food, drinks, and snacks in your town or at local middle and high school athletic events. People need to be taken care of. You can get paid to take care of little kids when their parents want to get out the house. People need to clean. Get a parent or guardian to ask around your neighborhood and see if anybody needs lawns to be mowed, leaves to be raked, plants to be watered, or snow to be shoveled. And people need to learn. If you're a gifted photographer, videographer, musician, or student, then you can help people out who might need some pictures taken, a video recorded, or musical or academic tutoring. Now, once you have money, there are three things that you can do with it. One, of course, spend it. Unfortunately, most things in this world aren't free, so we have to pay people for their work and spend money in order to get what we need. Second, save it. When we get birthday or holiday money, we often think about going and buying something impulsively. It's okay to have nice things, but if we choose to save our money more often, then we'll have a lot more and be able to use it when we really need it or give it to others who need it. And most importantly, share it. There are a lot of people in the world who have basic needs but cannot meet them because they genuinely just don't have enough money. What good is a blessing if it only benefits ourselves? After all, the Bible tells us that it's more blessed to give than to receive. And now I'll leave you with a few golden nuggets. Ask questions. Never be too prideful to ask for help. And if you want to sell something at school, ask for permission first. Money is not the root of all evil. The love of money is the root of all evil. In other words, it's okay to have a lot of money, but if we're selfish with it, then it's bad for everyone. And finally, our money is not our own. Every good and perfect gift comes from God. So everything that we have is to be used to glorify Him. Even money. When we tithe or give 10% of everything that we have, which is only $2 out of 20, we're not just putting money in a basket, we're acknowledging that God gave it to us and trusting that it will go towards bringing forth His kingdom and His will on earth as it is in heaven. In Malachi 3:10, God even promises to bless us more when we give to Him. So when you have money, make sure to spend it wisely, save regularly, and give it cheerfully.